you feel homesick? Na you wish sana nasa bahay ka or nasa Pilipinas kayo pag during the Christmas?
Well, iba siya. I wouldn't say na parang, hold on.
Mm-hmm.
Let me revise my answer. Do I feel homesick? It comes in waves, I think. That's my answer.
Mm.
May mga araw na, pag talagang buong araw madilim, buong araw
Yes.
gloomy. Bakit ba ganito? Bakit walang, uh, namimiss ko yung ingay sa kanto na may nagvi-video. Parang, tas, yung mga tawa ng mga, the familiar sounds, the organized chaos of our Christmas traditions, the vibes. And of course, namimiss mo yung family mo. Pero okay lang. Parang na-overcome mo siya. Never ko na feel naman na nag-iisa ako or alone ako. Kasi iba na eh. May iba na din akong priority. Tapos iba na yun yung mindset na ini-enjoy mo kung anong meron. Tapos you make the most out of it. So yun ang parang other side of the coin. Ikaw ba? Tagal-tagal ka na rin dito.
Yeah, totoo yan. For me, I really miss the food sometimes. Like yung lechon. Pero it's also good na I don't have it kasi hindi mo ganun ka-healthy yun. Uh, yeah, food is number one. I think because you grow up and then you have that memory that you're eating
Mm,
this food in Christmas and then you see Christmas tree and you hear the kids singing outside, right? Yun yung memories mo na masaya
yeah.
eh,
Yeah.
that you will not have here. So those are the moments I miss them. Not, honestly, right? And I think it's not something that you have to be sad some more. Like sometimes you can come back, you will have that experience, or you can even try it here. I don't know how they will respond to that, but yeah, I think it's just a really good memories, no, for me.
Yeah. And I think ano siya, I think magandang i-acknowledge 'yun na 'di ba may now we're allowed to go back into those good
Yeah.
memories
Yes.
and appreciate that time kasi it's a time capsule in your mind, right? Like,
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
yeah.
And that's always something special for you, eh, right? Like if you go back to that, if you see that going back, it might not be the same because it's always special in your memory compared to the real event. Sometimes, sabi nila
Mm,
ganun, no? But I think it's really just about realizing how different it's for you growing up or how you see it. But I think at the end of the day, the essence of Christmas remains the same. Diba? Parang it grows, you become mature, and you realize that you have to pass down the Christmas tradition,
yeah.
right, to your kids.
Yeah. And ano din, gusto ko lang i-add na hindi naman hindi naman yung message ng Christmas hindi naman talaga nagdepend sa tradition. The core of the message is really celebrating the arrival of Jesus on earth. That's it.
Mm.
Kahit saan ka pa naka-base, kahit ano pang pagkain na yan, tanggalin mo lahat yan, okay lang. Kasi
Yeah, totoo.
yung mahalaga,
Oo.
dumating si Jesus. And that's it. And I think um, what we do around it is to create happy memories and for the children and stuff to really uh, keep that alive.
Yeah, that's true. And to really pass down that tradition that Jesus came here on earth as the greatest gift, right? Siya naman talaga
Mm.
yung greatest gift for us eh. And that's something that we need to pass on to our children.